Welcome in everybody. In this video, I'm going to create the corner stop, and our inches are going to be our inches. Our dimensions are going to be in inches. That's what I meant to say. So I'm going to go to New, English, Standard, Create. I'm going to start my 2D sketch on this flat plane here. Kind of rotate it back this to the left. I'm going to create a rectangle, 2-point center option. Let's start in the origin here and drag it out. So this is going to be 5.25. Hit the tab key. That's going to be 4. Right there. Tab. Press enter. I'm going to finish this sketch. I'm going to extrude this upwards. That's going to be 2.5. And press enter. Then I'm going to start a 2D sketch. I want to start it on this bottom plane here. I'm going to rotate it back this way. I'm going to project geometry. I want to project this line here so I can grab my arc with the center point option. And my center point is going to be at the middle point of this line. I'm just going to draw an arc from one end to the other of that line. Finish my sketch. The reason I did it on the bottom plane is now I can extrude this up in that direction. And that's going to be 1.5. It's going to be one inch. Hit OK there. All right, so I'm going to need to do a lot of chopping and cutting out of this because I need to start my 2D sketch again on this top plane here. I'm going to rotate that. I need to cut off part of that top with the rectangle here. So I'm going to go from here and then over. That's going to be over 1.25. I'm just going to dimension this. So this is from here to here is 1.25. Like that. Finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude that piece. I'm going to extrude cut it to this piece, this plane, right there. There we go. And then what can I do next? Let's cut a hole out on this surface. And then I'm gonna click the edge here to make it concentric. And then that has a diameter of 1.25. So one right here is 1.25. 1.25. That's going to go all the way through. Yeah. There we go. So there's that one. Let's do another sketch on top here. I'm going to rotate it that way. There's a circle on top that has a radius of 1.25. So I'm going to go, let me see if I can do this. I'm going to go draw a 3-point, or not a 3-point. I'm going to draw an arc with a center point on this green dot as my center point. And then that needs to be 1.25. The tab key. And then I'm going to start my arc is from here all the way to the other side. There. I'm going to cut it, or finish my sketch. Now I'm going to extrude cut it. Extrude cut. That goes down by 0.75. 0.75. Like so. And now what do we have? We have a hole on top here. I'm just going to put a hole on top. That has a diameter of 0.75. So 0.75. There. It's going to be 1.25 from this edge 1.25. It's going to be 2 inches off this front edge here. That's 2. Does that look even remotely right? I guess it does. I don't have the back part cut off yet, so it looks kind of weird. There's 2 inches there. 1.25 there. It goes all the way through, which we do. Hit OK. All right, so now I just need to chunk some slices off these corners. So what I'm going to do is, let me start at the side here. So I'm going to start my sketch on this side here. I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to just create a line from here somewhere and just go straight down. I'm going to dimension this. So this line from here to here is, this edge is, what is it, 3? That's 3. And then from here, I'm going to make an angle. So that's 45. I might need to project these, and I might need to project this edge and this to finish my triangle. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to try to extrude, cut that all the way through. Hit OK. And then I'm going to go to start my sketch on top here. Let me rotate this around. So then I need to have a line somewhere from here over to, let's say, there. And that's going to be, let's see, do we know where that starts? It's going to be, oh, okay, so from this edge to where this line starts here is 2.25. And then I'm going to do my angle. So from here to here, that's 60 degrees. Just going to drag it way out here, 60. And then I can project geometry and project this. Maybe these two. I'm not sure. Let's try and see if that works. Finish my sketch. And then I'm going to extrude. Yeah, it worked. That. I'm going to extrude, cut it all the way down, like so. There we go. There's our part. Oh, we did good. There's our corner stop. Okay, so then I'm just going to go to my view, add some shadows, photo booth. Let's do something different. Let's add a different color. I'm going to go to smooth purple. What else is there? Smooth red, smooth yellow, smooth light orange, smooth dark. Ooh, I like that one there. So yeah, what did I do? I made it smooth, dark sea green. But yeah, you can do whatever you want. I like that. I like that a lot. So I'm going to save this as my corner stop. And save it. All right, so there we go. We did that pretty well. All right, so the next one, I know the next one looks a little bit tricky, but we're gonna get them as always. So yeah, hope to see y'all back next lesson. Make sure you like and subscribe. All right, peace.